So we've now been travelling around Koh Samui for nearly 3 weeks, and we want to just show you what our top 5 travel accessories are. Start with number 1, which is our packing cubes. We never go anywhere without these. They're fantastic. Hold a lot. Each one holds a lot. It's quite surprising what you can get in them, and packing and unpacking just is a dream, because you can just take them out of your case, pop them on the shelf and get your stuff out from there. We've got 6 altogether, aren't we, of different sizes, but they really are a good bit of kit. Our next thing is our sort of water, swimming, sand shoes, whatever you want to call them. Great for protecting your feet on the hot sand and when it's a bit pebbly. It's got a real good grip on the bottom. And we even use them around the pool for swimming because it's so hot over here. But that's our number 2 travel accessory. And then we've got our towel pegs. Simple things, go on the top of your towel so that it doesn't flap in your face. So, but we've used them a lot here, haven't we?
Holds your towel to the bed.
It does hold your towel to your bed. So that's our number 3. Number 4 we've got is our AC technology power bank. This has been superb because not all our hotel rooms have had lots of plugs, and if you can see in the end you've got 3 USBs. You've also got a torch, and we've charged, well, this is our first time today that we've actually charged it back up because it's just fantastic. So definitely recommend one of those. And our last travel accessories that we always take everywhere are our dry bags. We've got 3 different sizes. This is the smallest one, the 5 litre, totally waterproof and secure. This one you can use it as a handbag when it's really wet, but also if you fancy clipping to the 7-Eleven, filling it with ice, putting a few beers in, and going and sitting on the beach to watch the sunset is perfect. Like you can see, it's totally watertight. And they're the 2 other sizes that we've got. I think is that a 15 litre, Paul?
So yeah, 15
yeah.
litre.
So they're really big, but if you watch the top, this is why we like them, because we're always very security conscious when we're away, and we love it that you can roll the top down and then clip it, and you can actually clip that around a chair leg or table leg or whatever you want, and know that your bag's not going to be stolen from underneath your feet. So there you are. So that's our top 5 travel accessories. Do click the link down below and visit our travel accessories page, and if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe.